Hello everyone and thank you very much for joining. This is Namburkut and this is going to be an update on one of my live trading accounts. Okay, so this is IC Markets live account. Now, I have been trading this account using my favorite trading bot, the Cipi AI Scalper, and this is a artificial intelligence powered trading bot that I have developed for the MetaTrader 4 platform, and I have been using it to trade the account for the past 4 weeks. Now, let's jump into the result because this is going to be very interesting. All right, so starting on the 18th was Monday and until the 23, which is today. Okay, now let's see the history. Let's make this larger. All right, so the total profit for the last week it's standing at $143,216. This is a very good result, guys. Very good result. Now let's see the full history of the account. Like I said, I have been trading the account with the bot for the past 4 weeks. That brings us back to the 27th of November 2023. Okay, now let's see the full history. Come on. Obviously, there were a lot of trades. Okay, and the total profits after 4 weeks of trading, $761,370, guys. This is an astonishing result. I am really pleased with the way that this bot is working. So the trading plan in conjunction with the artificial intelligence are giving me really good results, as you can see. Now, I wanted to show you guys that on this account I am trading several currency pairs and also the gold. Okay, and 1 second, as you can see, placed by expert, placed by expert, placed by expert. The reason why you see different IDs is because there are many instruments being traded. There's not a single one, and each instrument has its own ID. But as you can see, all trades are showing placed by expert. So everything it's done by the bot. It's AI powered trading bot. Okay, so getting back to the result, the reason why I'm showing you all this and the reason why I'm filming with the phone is very simple. I want you to see that this is a genuine account. It's not some fakery that is being done nowadays. That's why I'm not using a screen recorder and I'm switching screens and I'm minimizing and enlarging. You can see that this is not some CGI or some video editing magic. This is real. The only magic that is going around here, it is the magic that the AI is doing in conjunction with the trading plan. All right, so I wanted to also remind you that starting with the end of January 2024, probably the beginning of February, the latest, I am going to release a commercial version of the Cipi AI Scalper that will be available for you guys based on a monthly subscription fee. It's not going to be available to a unlimited number of traders. I am going to limit the number of subscriptions because I need to conserve its capabilities of producing profits. And the only way to preserve that is not to transform it into a mass trader and keep it more private. So yeah, if you are interested, make sure to subscribe and stick around for the updates, and make sure you're not missing out on the launch date to be included in the small number of traders that will be allowed to rent the Cipi AI Scalper. Until then, guys, I will continue trading this account. Now, obviously, this is a large account. That is why I am producing these results. I will also start trading a couple of smaller accounts, something like 20K, 10K US dollars, maybe even smaller, 1K probably will be the smallest account that I will start trading. I will keep you updated in this regard, and I will also start posting videos with the results with the smaller accounts, so that you can see the bot trading on different accounts, and you can see the difference in results in different buying power situations, because on this account, like I said, being large, it has a lot of buying power. Yeah, so yeah, a lot of good stuff coming up. Make sure you stick around If you like what you're seeing, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, because like I said, there is a lot of good stuff coming up. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely, lovely holiday. Have a lovely, lovely Christmas. And yeah, take care. Good luck trading. Stay green. And I'll see you guys all on the next one. Thank you very much and goodbye.